welcome again to your classroom for manual and mental experiment. My name is J.K. Annan, and today with me is an important guest in the person of
Innocentia. I'm from Presbyterian Senior High School, Comte 11 Tema.
Thank you very much for joining me.
Thank
We are
you.
so honored to have our first guest from a different school in Tema Secondary School. Today, I will give you a simple challenge and it's a paper puzzle. Okay, do you like puzzles?
Yes.
Wow, yeah. Okay, so this is a folded word puzzle. You keep it folded as it is.
Okay.
It's a letter of the alphabet. I'll give you 3 options to guess what letter it is when unfolded.
Okay.
Yes, so go ahead and try. What letter it is?
L.
L. No.
Not T2.
Yes.
Looks like L. That's my last option.
Okay, no. I'll give you 3 actually.
Okay. C.
No, it's C, but when unfolded, it won't be C. Okay. Now let's see. It's a folded word puzzle, so let's unfold and see.
T.
It's an F.
Jeez.
F, not to fool you anyway. So you know what? It's an F.
Okay.
So when you fold it, the tail covers the other arm, and it looks like what? A C. Sometimes you can also say it looks like an L.
Or N.
But yes, but when unfolded, it's what? It's an F. Yeah. So this is a simple puzzle that you can use to detain your friends in school and even at home. Okay. I have another one for you.
Okay, sure.
I designed this before coming to the class. It looks like a complicated object.
Yeah.
Okay. But it is designed from a single word sheet of paper. Okay. I would like you to study it without touching it. Just study it. Okay. I will give you the paper to try to examine it and then produce the same design. That is creative art. If it's too big for you, let me give you this one. You can try. There's no limit to the options. But if you run out of sheets, then of course I'll read this one to demonstrate the branch that you're not able to solve. Okay, so we have some legs and then the standing arm. 2 small legs and 2 big ones on both sides. So this is how it looks like. Let your friend at home see what you're doing. Don't cover it. In a sense, you're innocent. I will spare you of your time. Try this one again. Or you continue. Let's open the whole thing. This looks like a Dinka symbol. Try again. So to my presby school, to my Pesek is in Comte 12, right? Comte 11.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
And my dad is also in Comte 11.
Yes, please.
So Comte 11 has 2 secondary schools.
Yes.
That is a community with rich minds.
I'm done.
Wow. Okay. Now giving up is not shame. It's a way of learning, okay? Okay. So we have got 2 smaller legs on both sides, big one here, and then a partition that divides both sides. Okay, now this I think you are right with the first step. That is to divide the sheet into two equal sides. Okay. I think it's still big. Then divide it into two. Okay. So I will trim off the excess to have everything neat. Okay. So the first step is to actually locate the midpoint of the sheet. Okay. Then we have two legs over here. Now, those legs are on one side actually. I think the sheet is still big. So we take it from both sides. We cut to the midpoint, or to the center of the sheet. So one here and another one here. Okay. Then we turn the paper and locate the other side, the center part of the other side, and cut to the midpoint as well. Okay, now this is what you have. Now I told you that it's what paper folding, okay? That's why in the first puzzle, the letter was folded. In the same way, this is how it looks like. You realize that we have two sides, the small side on both sides, but in our puzzle, it's what they're on the other side. So what you do is like you hold one side, then you turn it on the opposite side. You get me? This is the casting so far. So you hold one side, then you twist it like this. Then you give it a crease, and then that is it. You have created a shape. Don't like it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's amazing. So you can do this to entertain your friends as well. Then you become a wizard, a genius. Thank you very much for joining me on today's class. Thank you also for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and see you again in the next class. We have
Then add 5 to your answer.
okay.